This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Elizabeth Martinez. One or more photos has been virtually staged. New construction 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom modern townhome for rent. This luxury townhome features new stainless steel appliances, a laundry room with a stackable washer and dryer in the unit, an open concept floor plan, and 2 assigned parking spaces. Enjoy the covered porch and yard if you choose the bottom townhome. Alternatively, enjoy your private balcony if you choose the top unit. Be the first to live in these beautiful townhomes. Located close to the universities, Midtown, International Mall, St. Joseph's Hospital, Raymond James Stadium, and the airport. For more information, review the details below or contact Elizabeth Martinez at 8